Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert a rounded rectangle shapes in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert rounded rectangle shapes. Go to the insert menu. Then click shape option and choose the rounded rectangle shape. Then draw this shape. Now we can see here we insert rounded rectangle shape. You can change this shape color. Click the shape and go to the format menu. Then select the shape fill and change the color. And you can change shape outline color. Click the shape outline and select any color. Otherwise you apply some style in these shapes. Click the style drop down menu. Then apply any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.